Hi, if you are planning to enter into actuarial from other field and are worried about the basics of maths and stats which are required for this field because you feel that you have studied maths and stats quite a long ago, or you did not study maths in class 12th and are worried about that how will I be able to cope with main exams of actuarial because I did not have maths in class 12. So basically this course is for all of you. So if you are planning to enter into field of actuarial science from some other field and have done maths and stats quite a long time ago, you can take this actuarial refresher program along with our main exams to help you complement your studies, because basically we are revising all the concepts of maths and stats in this course which are required for our main exam CS1 and CM1. So more than 100 hours of video content along with the live sessions covering maths and stats topics required from the perspective of CS1 and CM1 are covered in this course. So you can see the maths topics covered being notation and standard functions, numerical methods, algebra, differentiation, integration, vectors, matrices, permutation, combination, type of data, statistical diagrams, measures of location, measures of spread, probabilities, random variables, be it discrete or continuous, distributions, be it discrete, continuous, correlation, regression. So all these topics, it is quite possible that you would have studied in your graduation or you would have studied in your high school, but since you are coming to actuarial science from another profile, it might be the case that you are not well versed with these topics. So this course is specially designed for these students, because all our class 12 students or graduation students are already doing these topics. So this course is specially designed for all the students who are coming from another profile, or for our class 11th and 12th students who are not well versed with maths and stats topics. Plus, if you are looking out basically for our placement section, and if you're looking out for starting with actuarial science, you can check out our main courses in this actuarial subject section. So basically CM1 is one of the most important exam to clear, especially if you're coming out from different profile, because this exam will directly help you to land up to actuarial job, as this exam prepares you for entire life insurance concepts and is one of the most important exam for landing up to actuarial job. Plus, you can check out our placement section. So the main important reason that you would be coming into actuarial profile is that you want to get into job as soon as possible. So we have this placement section design, and you can put on your resume here, and as per your profile, we will keep on shortlisting your resume and we will share the resume with the companies concerned. Plus, apart from the resume section, we have this actuarial science interview questions which prepares you for the interview of different profile. You can see that we have categorized general and HR questions, life insurance questions, health insurance questions, pension, investment questions, and many other style of questions. So basically, if you have planned to enter into actuarial science, then we are equipped to help you with all the requirements, basically with all the prerequisites to enter into this field. So the placement section is there, interview questions are there, plus the refresher program is there, along with our main exams to start with. And the most important exam that you should definitely start with is CM1. Still, in case of any confusion or any doubts, feel free to connect with us on the number mentioned. Thank you, everyone. Happy learning.